Themes control the visual look and layout of the site by tying together elements like menus, posts, pages, widgets, and images. There are many themes available that can help you create the look and feel that you're after, and each theme is inherently different and will provide different customization options. By returning to the WordPress dashboard, you can manage and customize themes by going to Appearance in the side menu and selecting the Themes option. You'll see that there are already several themes installed in the site. In our case, our current active theme is 2014, but we also have 2013 and 2012 available. By hovering our mouse over a theme, we can click on Theme Details to get information about an individual theme, or we can click on the Live Preview button to see what our content will look like using that theme. Even though we haven't created our own content yet, we can see what our default sample data looks like in the 2013 theme. Keep in mind that this is only a preview. Click on Save and Activate to activate the theme for the site, or close the preview and return to the Themes area, where you can then click on the Activate button here to make this the active theme for your site. Once the theme has been activated, return to the front end of the site and refresh the page. You'll notice a different look and feel for the front end. The color scheme has changed a little bit, menus have changed, and your widgets have moved into a different position. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll return to the dashboard and we're going to reactivate the 2014 theme to use for the rest of this tutorial series. By clicking on the Add New button in this area, you'll also have the ability to browse through different featured or popular themes through WordPress.com. There are many themes available, and we really do recommend that you spend some time to find the look and feel that's right for you and for your content and site visitors. If one of these themes is appealing to you and you'd like to install it in your site, go to the theme and click on the Install button. We'll install the Simone theme into our site, and once it's installed, we'll return to our Themes area where we can activate this theme for the site if we'd like to. Another option for finding themes for WordPress is by going to theme.wordpress.com. The WordPress Themes directory will offer many options for finding free or commercial WordPress themes. To customize the theme you're currently using, return to the dashboard and click on the Customize button for the active theme. A live preview area will open up, and there are many options off to the left-hand side to customize each theme, but each theme is inherently different and will provide different options here. For instance, you can create a site title and tagline. We'll erase this default site title that comes with our site and we'll type in Guitar Central. I'll also create a new tagline for the site, and notice that while I type, these changes are reflected in the live preview area. I also have the option to stop displaying the site title and tagline altogether. There are also a few options for adjusting colors. The first option is the site title color, and this will only change the Guitar Central text that we've just added to the site. The next option is the background color, and I'll select the same orange color here, and in the live preview area you'll see a little bit of the theme off to the right side has changed to the orange color. Let's click on the Save and Publish button so we can actually see these changes on the front end of the site. We'll return to the front end after saving, and we'll refresh the page, and we'll revert back to that 2014 template, and we can also see the color changes that we've made integrated live on the front end. To really start customizing this theme, we'll return to the dashboard so we can start uploading some imagery. The first option is to select a header image, and there are recommended dimension sizes here. This dimension size will change depending on the theme you're using. To upload that image, we'll click on the Add New Image button. We'll be directed to an abbreviated view of our Media Manager where we can see those suggested image dimensions again, and we'll click on the Select Files button so I can browse my computer for an image that I've created. When I upload this image to my WordPress site, it's automatically added to my media library, and it's not only used for the header image here, but I can use it throughout the WordPress site as I see fit. I also have the ability to create attachment details, which are useful for the end user if they can't see the image on the front end for whatever reason. I'll click on the Select and Crop button here to use the drag and drop feature to crop the header image that I've created. WordPress isn't an image editing software, but there are a few tools like this available. I'll click on the Crop Image button to finish up, and I'll exit the media library and come back to my live preview area where I can see my header image. Another option for customizing the theme by using imagery is to add a background image. By default, there is no background image in the site, and to upload an image, click on the No Image button here and then click on Select a File. Just like before, you'll be able to browse your computer to upload a background image, and I've created one that I'd like to use for my site. The image that I'm uploading is high resolution, and it will take a second to load into the site, and you should beware if you're going to use a high resolution image as a background image, because it could slow down your page load time. Once I've successfully uploaded that background image here, I'll click on the Save and Publish button, and I'll return to the front end of the WordPress site and refresh the page, where I'll be able to see the header image and background image that I've just added. Your theme also helps you to manage other WordPress features like menus and widget-ready areas, which can change depending on the theme you're using. Our menu appears below our header image on the front end, and one of our widget-ready areas is off to the left-hand side of the page. By returning to the dashboard, I can see that other options for this theme include widgets and a static front page. We'll cover these in later tutorials in this series. The next tutorial in this series will show you how to start organizing your content by creating categories.